Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and this is a Memoji kind of a review of the iPhone iOS 12. So without further ado, let's begin. This is actually how I look in real time. I got nothing in the front. So we'll show you how iOS 12 has taken this a notch apart and made it interesting. Alrighty guys, today we are going to learn about Memojis, right? So let's go ahead and at first, just to begin, everybody who is an iPhone 10 user can use Memojis. Memojis are not available in iPhone 7, 6, 8, 8 Plus and 7 Plus also, just because the 10 has a true depth camera in the front. So Memojis are not going to be available apart from iPhone 10 and above. So if you're not having an iPhone 7 Plus, 8 Plus, don't even think about watching this video. Now, for those who are iPhone 10 users, iPhone 10s, 10s Max, let's go ahead and show you how it's done. So at first, head over to Messages, and after you head over to Messages, for example, I want to send a quick text message to Anton, who's my very good friend. You will go into this section where near Apple Pay, and you click on an emoji. When you click on an emoji, you will see that this thing pops up. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and create a new one. So in a second, so create a new memoji. Now you can change skin tone, hairstyle and everything. So for example, let us create a memoji together. And for example, we are going to create an avatar, okay? Avatar kind of a memoji. So we'll keep the skin color like this. And freckles, should we add it? Well, let's do it like this, forget it. And a hairstyle. So in hairstyle, I'm a guy, so I'm not going to put some girl hairstyle out here. This would give a cool effect, so let's keep it like this. So this is how Memoji works. It actually turns on that true depth camera that you can see right now. That true depth camera turns on and it tries to do some infrared matching on my facial expression. So now from there we can go for a head shape, and we can we'll select this one, or you can change the chin if you want. And eyes, you can change the eyes. So for example, there are a lot of way of eyes and eyelashes, so we'll keep the eye like this. And brows, if you want to change brows, you can add some brows on it. Nose and lips, and well, we'll keep the nose and lips like this. And ears, well, I'm not adding any jewelry to it, but you can keep it like this, or you can actually add something like this. Okay, so when you're done with that, you can actually add facial hairs to it. So let's go to facial hairs. Okay, facial hairs. So in facial hairs, you can select from whichever facial hair you want. I usually try to add some facial hairs, but do I like this? What do you think? Well, that will be all, and then we can go to eyewear, and if you want to add some glasses to it, you can add some glasses. So my favorite piece of eyewear is something like this. I like this pair of glasses. And then you go and you can add some headwears. Headwears is kind of community based, so you can get all community headwears. For example, my brothers from my Sikh brothers are going to have it, my Christian brothers, my Muslim brothers, all the brothers and sisters can have their own Memoji according to their preference. And that's pretty much it, and let's go ahead and press done. Okay, so we begin, and we'll record this and send this to Anton and see what he replies. Hey Anton, this is Das from Opinions Matter. What you're doing, brother? We are actually doing a video right now, and we wanted to send you a cool new Memoji. What do you think about it? Please do reply as all of our viewers want to know what you think about this new Memoji. By the way, guys, you can do 30 seconds long Memoji. So let's go ahead, and it's going to show you a preview and everything. So we are going to send this Memoji right now. So we have sent Anton a Memoji right now. So Anton might be receiving it very soon, and if he's awake, he's going to reply. So you see that delivered is there. Now if you want to save this Memoji, you know, like for example for some YouTube videos or some Instagram post or anything, you just double tap and hold this. Once you hold this, you will see this thing pop up, and now what you can do is that you can go to the bottom corner and you can actually, I don't know whether you guys can see, yeah, you can actually save this video on your thing. We'll get out of the messaging app and we'll see whether it's saved on, and out of 300 videos. Now we can see, so we can see that the video is working. So Anton just wrote, let's see what Anton said. He said like very funky. Memojis are pretty cool, right? And well, we'll ask him whether he can write us a Memoji or not also. Well, anyways, guys, we'll not waste your time. This is how you can do Memojis. We can do a lot of stuff with Memoji, and reply is so crazy. It like makes me feel like I just went back in time to Men in Black 1. Alrighty, guys, so that's pretty much it. That is how you can do Memoji. I hope you like this Memoji tutorial, and you can do a lot of creative stuff. Do keep me posted if you like this video or not. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.